Do you find yourself struggling with a TP-Link USB adapter that's just not working as it should? Fear not, for you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix TP-Link USB adapter driver error and get you back online with ease. Whether you're a tech guru or a complete beginner, these simple steps will help solve your connectivity woes. Step 1. Check the USB port and connection. First, we'll address the basics. To solve the TP-Link USB adapter driver error, start by checking your hardware connection. Unplug your TP-Link adapter and plug it into a different USB. This can help determine if the issue is with port rather than the adapter itself. It's also worth trying the adapter on another computer to see if the problem persists. If it works elsewhere, the issue could be with your PC's USB support. Step 2. Update your drivers. Drivers are crucial for the smooth operation of hardware devices. To fix a TP-Link USB adapter driver error, updating the drivers is essential. Follow these steps. Open Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Find Network Adapters and expand the section. Locate your TP-Link USB adapter. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search for the latest driver updates and install them if available. If Windows doesn't find an update, visit the TP-Link official website, download the latest drivers for your specific model, and install them manually. Step 3. Uninstall and reinstall the driver. Sometimes a simple reinstall can solve the problem. To do this, navigate to Device Manager again. Right-click on your TP-Link USB adapter and select Uninstall Device. After the uninstall, unplug your device and restart your computer. Once your computer is back on, plug the adapter back in. Windows should automatically reinstall the necessary drivers. If not, manually install the drivers downloaded from the TP-Link website. Step 4. Disable antivirus firewall temporarily. At times, overly cautious antivirus software or firewall settings can block the adapter from functioning correctly. Here's how to test this. Temporarily disable your antivirus program and firewall. Check if the TP-Link USB adapter starts working. This resolves the issue. Consider adjusting the antivirus or firewall settings to allow the adapter to operate unrestricted. Remember to re-enable your antivirus and firewall after testing to maintain your system. Step 5. Try another USB adapter. If none of the above steps resolve the TP-Link USB adapter driver error, you might want to try using another USB adapter to confirm the initial one is not faulty. Borrow one from your friend or purchase a compatible TP-Link adapter that supports your requirements. Fixing a TP-Link USB adapter driver error doesn't have to be a daunting task. By troubleshooting the hardware, updating drivers, reinstalling software, and adjusting security settings, you can tackle the error effect. However, always prioritize the security of your system when making adjustments. Feel free to share this guide with others who may benefit from these troubleshooting steps. With these tips, your TP-Link USB adapter should soon be back in action, allowing you to connect and explore the digital world without frustration.